Welcome back to Health4You. Today we're tackling stomach flu, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, and how to recover faster. By the end, you'll know 9 superfoods to help you bounce back, plus practical tips for a smoother recovery. Let's get started on your roadmap back to health. Stomach flu drains your body of fluids and electrolytes, leaving you weak and dehydrated. Rehydration is your top priority. Plain water isn't enough. You need electrolytes. Oral rehydration solutions (ORS) are best, but sports drinks or a homemade mix of water, sugar, and salt work too. Take small, frequent sips to avoid overwhelming your stomach. Think of it as a steady drip, gently restoring your body's balance. Next, fight nausea with ginger, an ancient remedy proven by science. Brew fresh ginger tea or add grated ginger to broth for soothing relief. Even ginger supplements can help, but check with your doctor first. Ginger calms your stomach and helps you keep food down. As your stomach settles, introduce plain boiled or steamed potatoes. They're easy to digest, rich in potassium, and help restore lost nutrients. Keep it simple, no butter or heavy seasonings. Potatoes are a gentle, nourishing step forward. Once you can handle starches, add protein with eggs. Soft-boiled, poached, or gently scrambled without oil are best. Start with small portions and avoid heavy seasonings. Eggs help rebuild strength and support your immune system. Craving something sweet? Try water-rich fruits like watermelon, cantaloupe, or ripe peaches. They hydrate, provide gentle energy, and are easy on your stomach. Chop them small or blend into a simple smoothie, no dairy. Introduce fruit slowly for a refreshing recovery boost. If even sips of water are tough, use ice chips. Suck on small chips throughout the day for slow, steady hydration. They soothe your throat and are less likely to trigger nausea. It's a gentle way to start rehydrating. Bland carbs like saltine crackers, plain pretzels, and dry cereal absorb stomach acid and are easy to digest. Choose plain, low-fat options, no added flavors or seeds. Nibble slowly and see how your stomach reacts. These foods stabilize your gut and pave the way for more variety. Ready for more protein? Try lean meats like skinless chicken or turkey breast. Bake, poach, or grill without added fat, and shred for easier digestion. Start with small portions mixed with rice. Lean protein helps your body repair and regain strength. The brat diet, bananas, rice, applesauce, toast, is a classic for a reason. These bland, low-fiber foods are gentle and help bind your stool. Use them as a short-term bridge, eating small, frequent meals. Gradually add other foods as you improve. Stomach flu is tough, but these foods, electrolytes, ginger, potatoes, eggs, fruit, ice chips, bland carbs, lean proteins, and brat staples, are your best allies. Start slow, listen to your body, and introduce foods one at a time. This approach supports healing and helps you recover faster. Always consult a doctor if symptoms are severe or persistent. Like, subscribe, and share your recovery tips below. Wishing you a speedy return to health.